Good evening, everybody.
Good evening, sir.
ये सब स्कूल में होता था. Respected dignitaries here, General Sir and Director Sir, Principal Sir, all the dignitaries who are present here. I feel very honored to be in the presence of so many people. हम एक छोटी सी कंपनी चलाते हैं मिनी ऑरेंज और साइबर सिक्योरिटी में है और सबसे पहले तो बहुत अच्छा लगा कि आपका प्रोग्राम एकदम टाइम पे शुरू होता है. आई लव दिस अबाउट आर्मी, ऑन टाइम. Very important. Wherever you go, you must push punctuality. It's not in the DNA of some of the brothers and sisters outside. So you have to make sure it gets there. So बहुत अच्छा. Secondly, there are many things I can say, but I know यहाँ पे students third year, final year किसके हैं? Mix. First, second, third.
Yes.
Final. अच्छा.
Final year also.
Final year also. Awesome. So I was talking to a few students and one of the faculty, they told me that most of the placements are done, 85% placements is done. Electronics में कोई कंपनी आई से कोई अच्छी कंपनी आती है यहाँ पे. So मैं जनरली ये भाषण उनको देता हूँ जो हमारी कंपनी में आते हैं. फर्स्ट फ्रेशर होते हैं. There are many options that you have when you join a company. However, you have to be really careful about what you choose. Generally हम चॉइस कैसे करते हैं कंपनीज का? Whichever gives the best package, right? प्रोफाइल भी किसने बोला प्रोफाइल वाला? सर आप ये फीडिंग आंसर. जनरली हम क्या देखते हैं, बच्चे क्या देखते हैं, किसने मैक्सिमम पैकेज दिया? You got to be very careful there. There are many choices that you have today. TCS, Infosys, big options होते हैं. Persistent Systems, they are services companies, and their packages may not be that high, but they are serving a very big purpose in the country, which is what? What do you think? Lakhs and lakhs of people are getting jobs. It's a good thing, but their business model is such that they do services, so the amount of money the amount of profits they make, and when they distribute it to their employees, it's somewhat less. So that's one of the cons. But you should understand before joining any company, you should understand what the business model is. So TCS Infosys is still a very good company because they are employing lakhs and lakhs of Indians. Fantastic thing, and they are giving good exposure to a lot of people. However, there are other type of companies. I'm sure some banks also come to your companies, to your placement. Banks, which banks came this time? Or sorry? Deutsche Bank, yeah. But एक छोटा सा issue है. Deutsche Bank में हम में से किसका अकाउंट है? ये क्या चक्कर है? Deutsche Bank came and आप अपना कोई अकाउंट नहीं Deutsche Bank में क्यों नहीं है? क्योंकि वो बैंक यहाँ है ही नहीं. So what is the issue with that? Why did Deutsche Bank? कहाँ की Deutsche Bank? जर्मनी. अच्छा. तो जर्मनी की कंपनी यहाँ क्यों आई? सेटअप करने के लिए. हाँ? चीप लेबर. मतलब मेरा आंसर वही तुमने बता दिया. But उनका कहना ऐसा नहीं है. They are not coming here for cheap labor. They are saying that they are coming here because we are very talented and all that. But अगर ऐसा होता तो डॉइचे बैंक अपना ब्रांच खोलती है यहाँ पे. ब्रांच तो नहीं खोला, सिर्फ कंप्यूटर साइंस के इंजीनियर लेने पहुंच गई है. So it is still a good thing for us. क्यों? क्योंकि डॉइचे बैंक में अगर जॉब लगेगी तो पैकेजेस आर डेफिनेटली मोर देन TCS Infosys. Lot more. So that's funny, right? I mean, I wanted to understand this. Do they not know TCS Infosys is paying much less and they still get engineers? So why are they paying so much? What is the package then Deutsche Bank now? 21 lakhs. Yeah. How many people Deutsche Bank takes? 7. Not lakhs, not thousands. 7. Yeah. And what is the title that they give you? SDE. Yeah, Assistant Vice President of Technology. नहीं होता ऐसा? Deutsche Bank में ऐसे तो होता, सारे बैंक्स में ऐसे तो होता. You start off with assistant vice president. So now somebody is gone into TCS and somebody is becoming assistant vice president. तो लड़की किसको मिलने वाली शादी में? Jokes apart, I'll tell you. चाहे डॉइचे बैंक का में अकाउंट नहीं हो अपना, पर HDFC ICICI का अकाउंट है ना? तो उसके ऑनलाइन बैंकिंग में आप लॉगिन करते हैं, तो लॉगिन करते हैं तो वो सॉफ्टवेयर आपको हर बार, हर महीने, हर साल चेंज होता हुआ दिख रहा होगा? नहीं, सॉफ्टवेयर बैंकिंग में सॉफ्टवेयर एप्लीकेशन चेंज नहीं होते हैं. अगर वो यूआई सब चेंज कर देंगे तो टूट जाएगा तो सब चिल्लाएंगे उन पे, कोई चेंज नहीं करते हैं. तो चेंज नहीं होते हैं तो इनको सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर चाहिए क्या? वो 7 दिन में करेंगे क्या? ठीक, वो 7 दिन जाके डॉइचे बैंक में करेंगे क्या? इसीलिए पैसे मिलते हैं 21 लाख. You have to be very careful what way you end up. 21 लाख देके तुम TCS में छोड़ दोगे और तुम डॉइचे बैंक चले जाओगे और उसके बाद में ज्वाइन करोगे और सारे कंज्यूमर्स और डॉइचे बैंक जैसे सारे कंज्यूमर्स और HDFC ICICI यहीं बैठे हुए हैं. हम लॉगिन करते हैं सालों साल से, वही यूआई दिख रहा है, एक बार चेंज हुआ है बीच में. तो इतने सारे इंजीनियर्स करके आ रहे हैं वहां पे. What do you think about that? The third option that you get is a lot of MNCs. What are the MNCs that come to your campus? बताओ. Oracle, IBM comes. They come. ठीक है. So same thing. Why is Oracle? Where is Oracle headquartered? Who is the owner of Oracle? We all know. Larry Ellison. He's so rich, he's bought an island just to drive his car. We all know that, right? I'm sure all of you know because we are the 52nd state of the United States. United States से जो होता है हमें पता रहता है. 52nd क्यों बोला मैंने? 51st क्यों नहीं बोला? Canada 51st. You all know anyway. Very good. So we don't have to be 52nd state of the United States anymore. But you're right. I mean Oracle, IBM सब आती हैं और वो भी अभी बोलते हैं कि हम GCC बनाएंगे, ग्लोबल कैपेबिलिटी सेंटर बनाएंगे इंडिया में. ग्लोबल कैपेबिलिटी सेंटर बनाएंगे तो आप मतलब यूरोप में बना लो. यूरोप में नहीं आए सब इंडिया में आ रहे. क्यों? Because there are good engineers, definitely. We are all of us are good engineers, but also because affordability is more here. But again, the same problem. I was talking to sir a little while ago, and he was informing me about his son, who is board of Oracle Financial, and it's a company based in. The office is in Pune only. And I was telling him that I worked in IBM in 2010, approximately 2010. Most of my time was spent in the cafeteria because the headquarters is somewhere else, and the person has this much capability. इतनी capability आप में अपने इतने प्रतिशत कल्पेश ने देखा क्या capability है. सबने क्विज किया कल रात को सारे दिनर्स को. इतनी capability है. 3-4 घंटे का काम होगा, पूरे टाइम कंप्यूटर में बैठे रहोगे. इसलिए तो इंडिया आयरन कॉन्टिनेंट बन रहा है. बैंडविड्थ कितना है, करेंगे अपने टाइम के साथ. सो ऑल द किड्स यू हैव टू बी वेरी अवेयर ऑफ दैट. ये जीसीसी में घुसोगे वहां पे हेडक्वार्टर्स इज नॉट इन इंडिया. सो ऑल द कूल वर्क इट्स हेल्ड बैक देयर. इफ यू डू समथिंग कूल, आई मीन इट हैज हैपेंड टू मी, इट्स टेकन बैक समटाइम्स. थिंग्स आर चेंजिंग. ऐसा नहीं है, यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छा काम हो रहा है. आरसी के हेडक्वार्टर्स, आरसी का ऑफिस है बैंगलोर में, काफी कंपनीज का है, अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं. हेडक्वार्टर यहाँ नहीं है. So if you develop something, where does the IP of that product belong? Have you ever figured out? If you're working for RSA or Oracle or IBM and you invented something, who owns the IP?
You know the their tools, then technically the IP will belong to that company.
Exactly, and the company is headquartered in the US. So your IP, you invented it here with IP, and you file patent. If you're in one of those companies, they encourage filing of a lot of patents. To which patent office? Indian patent office? No, it's the US patent office. It's a major issue. So the patent belongs to some other country, and you're sitting here and inventing. I'm just letting you know that these are the options that you should be aware before choosing something, because I've been a student. The only thing I looked at was the package, and I'm sure a lot of you are doing that. but today you are in a new India. Only in cyber security, जो मेरा field है, 400 product companies are there, incubated and running from India, headquartered in India. If you develop something there, the IP belongs to this country. You may be selling all over the world, but IP will belong here. And ये सिर्फ cyber security की कह रहा हूँ, AI की नहीं कह रहा, AI की, drones की, इतनी सारी companies बोल रही हैं. So you have to be very aware of your options. And जो headquarters यहाँ पे होती हैं, it's a unique opportunity for all of us to be. And if you get a chance, let's say Deutsche Bank gives you 21 lakhs and some company gives you say 7-8 lakhs, but they are headquartered in India. I would strongly suggest go for the headquartered in India company. ऐसी opportunities मिलेंगी आपको क्योंकि you will get a unique opportunity. क्योंकि क्या है कि US is I'm sure many of you have traveled abroad and you've seen all the nice roads and nice infrastructure. वो किस जनरेशन ने बनाई? पुरानी जनरेशन ने बनाई, अभी जनरेशन सिर्फ उसको यूज कर रही है. हम लोग वो जनरेशन है, आप लोग वो जनरेशन है जो इंडिया में वो बनाएंगे. So if you work for a company headquartered in India, that's the opportunity you have, and it's an immense opportunity. You may not realize it right now, but it is. So I've been given only 10 minutes, so I will not blabber too much. But I want to tell you one thing, that it's a fantastic time to be born in India, and it is a fantastic time to be graduating from an engineering institute based in India. Why? Guess. I travel the world. I will be going to RSA conference, which is in San Francisco, in about a month or two. If you're born in the US, what are you getting? And you're a white American versus a brown Indian who is born and raised here. वहाँ पे क्या मिल रहा है आपको? You have to work for 5 people. Here, I know I don't drive, I don't cook, I don't clean. I focus on my work. When I go to my desk, when I go to my dining table, my food is ready. I get to focus on my work. If you're in the US, you don't have all that. 5 जनों का काम करना पड़ता है. मैं कर चुका हूँ 10 साल वहाँ पे. दूसरा, when you're graduating out of a college in the US, you're graduating with a loan of 40-50,000 US dollars per year. यहाँ पे तो सबने अपनी अपनी फीस दी होगी, नहीं? खुद ने लोन लेके, राइट? सब माँ बाप ने भरी ना, तो everybody is graduating with 0 loan. वहाँ पे 50,000 से 200,000 डॉलर का लोन लेके ग्रेजुएट हो रहे हैं, और उनका इंटरेस्ट भी ऐसे कैलकुलेट होता है कि they will not charge you anything unless you start working. So when you are working for the first 7-8 years, you're only paying back the interest. And then you buy a house, you buy a car, and that's how your life goes. You have to work extra hard. Here you're graduating with 0 loan. You can actually work on innovation and stuff. So another good thing, if you're born in Australia, तो भूल ही जाओ. ऑस्ट्रेलिया में सबको सिर्फ मस्ती करनी है. मेरा एक बंदा यहाँ पे था, उसकी गर्लफ्रेंड ने सोचा कि मैं ऑस्ट्रेलिया चले जाती हूँ पढ़ने के लिए, तो वो पीछे गया. हमने उसको छोड़ा नहीं. मैं चलो दुनिया के लिए काम करते रहो. 1 साल हो गया, उसको परेशान हो गया. वहाँ पे काम करने का स्पीड ही नहीं है. सबको 3-4 बजे काम करना, मस्ती करनी है. I can guarantee, I am an Indian, I can guarantee all of you, किसी को मस्ती करनी है, अपनी अपनी लाइफ बनानी है. और ऑस्ट्रेलिया का कल्चर अलग तरह का है. हम सब वहां से अट्रैक्ट हो रहे हैं, जबकि ऑस्ट्रेलिया और यूएस में और यूरोप में नहीं कहा. पर इसमें क्या हो रहा है? रैली निकाली जा रही है कि बताओ, हम तो बहुत खुश हैं. तो ओल्डर इंडियन तो बहुत खुश हैं. खूब रैली निकालने दो, सारे यंगस्टर नहीं रह जाएंगे, इंडिया का प्रोग्रेस अच्छा होगा. It's a fantastic time for you to be born in India and be graduating from a technical institute like this. Great opportunities right on your doorstep in Pune, in all the IT centers around India, headquartered in India, and there is so much work to be done. And I belong in a very specific field called cyber security. बहुत opportunities है उसमें. AI में भी बहुत opportunities हैं. I hope Pratish का lecture तुमने सुना होगा. He joined from SIT about 11 years ago. And Kalpesh also joined about 12 years ago. We are working together to build cybersecurity products out of India, out of Baner. And we have taken the team from 4 to about 750 now. It's possible if you continue to work hard. So I just want to give you these two perspectives. The first one was there are many options when you go out to work right after college, and you should be choosing Saraswati or Lakshmi initially for many years, and then you will see Lakshmi ji apne aap peeche aayegi. And the second thing is fantastic time to be born in India. So I have very strong opinions about whoever is planning to do his MS from anywhere. MS, MBA, work, get in line. Don't be afraid to get in line also. Okay? I think I got 10, I was given 10 minutes, I already exceeded. Thank you so much for calling me. And if you have any questions, I will be here for some time and I'll be happy to answer them. Thank you so much.